think Gaby first. Alice! So today we are doing Twin Telepathy Challenge, but the second round. Alice, so are you excited for this round? Yeah? Yes, because there's a lot of good colours. And don't forget to subscribe to the bell and smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ow. Okay, Alice. Hopefully you get a good colour. I don't want like brown from nowhere. Okay, so as you saw, we have blue, yellow. I don't know what this colour is. I think it's yellow or gold. And then we have red. Okay, so I think Alice went for blue. Okay, let's see. You went for golden yellow thing. Colour, I don't know. I'm very bad at colours. I think yellow is like a... No.
Alice have point. That is a gold, Gaby.
Ah, so pretty. It looks like the sky in the night. My one looks like the sea. Yay! Wow. It looks like a waterfall. A waterfall. It's amazing. And this is like, yeah. Oh, yay! I just loves doing this. I don't know why. Yay! I'm also only blue. Alice, why are you dancing over there? Creating a mess.
Alice. Glue is everywhere, but not in a bowl.
On my hand too. I tried to do the same thing as Alice. Yeah. And there's... Okay, round 2. Okay, so now it's the second round. So I'm picking Alice. Deepen your bowl now. Okay, Alice, now it's time for you. Oh, I hit myself. What are you gonna pick? I got pink! I get a point! I wanted that one. Points. I wanted this one to match my colour of slime. Is this how you open it? I think I broke it. It's not opening.
Alice, so take this one maybe.
Now I'll see which is.
Yes, take this one.
It's sealed! I got a pink and purple mess. Not pink and purple. A pink and blue mess.
Alice, you cover your slime, your glue.
Yay! Okay, so now it's the next round. Bit scared that Alice is picking. So we have yellow the sun. Then we have thingy majiggy. Okay, that's what he's called. And then we have blue paint and shaving cream, which look like crowns. Okay, there you go. Alice, you can pick.
Okay, she pick.
I'm very concerned. Let's use my magical powers. My magical powers say that these two are trash. Okay, this one. Okay, Alice. What? Alice. Okay. So I guess I got a point. But
Half point.
Half point because Alice picked two. And I got black. I thought this was silver.
It's silver, Gaby.
It looks like silver and then it's black inside.
It's a grey.
Yeah.
Yeah, to drop all of them. Yes. Ooh, Alice. That was a good shot. Start mixing.
Oh my goodness, I don't feel good about this one. It's going to be grey.
Your slime will be galactic. 100%, Gaby.
Mine's going to be sunny.
Alice will be goldish.
Ish.
Brownish.
Brownish.
Brownish? No, it's no, it will be gold.
Okay, I'm mixing. Oh no, this turned out with purple! I love purple. I've put my hand into glue. Okay. Look, it's purple. Activator. Okay, so now I'm going to put some activator. I don't know about Alice. Wow.
Alice is just glitter in a bowl with lower glow.
You got it wet. I spilled Alice.
Alice, are you active now?
Yeah, it's active. My one's gonna be the purple witch's hole. That's what mine's gonna be a golden hole. And your one's gonna be a golden dragon's poo. Okay, so we're gonna be back with the witch's hole and the golden dragon's poo in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Our slimes are ready, and Alice has a golden pure slime, and I have a purple mess. But inside you can see the thing. Ew. Alice, that's disgusting. I know.
Alice, this is just pure glitter.
Yes. And we don't know why, but there's green glitter in there, but we still don't know why. So, Alice, let's do the poking check. Yeah, this is surgery. Okay, poking challenge. Alice. She's making a spaceship. Okay, wow. You can't beat that, can you? Me. She can. It feels like you're touching gold. That's a slime you can buy on eBay for $1 billion. $1 million. $1 million, billion, trillion. Because I was looking on my mum's phone. Yeah, she found a slime that cost £100 like that. Yeah, amazing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell